Hello, Michael Ligori here with Cathedral Stone Products. Today we're in the Upper West Side taking a look at 610 West End Avenue. This is a restoration project that had limestone and terracotta that was in need of cleaning. Some of the areas have not been cleaned yet, so you can see the amount of grime and dirt that's present on the facade. Once those areas are cleaned, all repairs will take place. That will include the Yon M110 pointing mortar, M100 patching, and M70 limestone patching mortar. For all of the window surrounds, upon completion of the repairs, they will be coated with a breathable mineral coating called potassium silicate. So now we're going to go to the west-facing side of the facade and take a look at what the terracotta looks like once it's coated. And if you can see the terracotta on this second story here, all coated with potassium silicate. And as you make your way up the facade, you'll see all the way at the top of the cornice there, and the back balconies have all been coated with a breathable mineral coating. So the potassium silicate was approved by Landmarks on this particular project. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions at the email below.